It's really paying off for him. So I'm not sure what we're gonna do. Is there's somebody with, if I had, luckily I don't have headphones, but whoever's wearing headphones, you guys are getting fucked over by somebody. There's some major static coming from somebody. Great.
You ready? Let's go!
So let me show you this boat that we got. This is the upper deck, and then we go down. Bar on board. bottles. And here we are. Front desk. Sun is setting. Good drink. Cheers! Hey! So, wherever you are, have a great Saturday. Got some nice treats here on the boat. Going to 6th floor for massage. Use a little voucher.
Remember to bring both.
Get a little massage. 90 minutes. That's about right. Maybe you'll show them a little bit of it. Let's go.
The next day.
This is probably like the most common work problem in Asia. Perfectionism and shame. Like they wait until if they feel like it's perfect before they show the work. So show me the mess. I want to hear the mess. I want to hear you guys arguing with me. Here is, Dave, that's a stupid idea. And here's why I think it's a stupid idea. I would love you. All right, then I'll be like, okay, I'm going to give this guy a promotion. It's the people who disagree with me that are the most valuable, in fact. Right? Because it's so hard to find somebody to disagree with me who has value, who actually cares about the content in the company, right? So if you have any thoughts, because I know you're harboring thoughts, because you must have thoughts, if you're thinking about it at all. Some of you might be like watching Game of Thrones right now. I can't tell, but like, if you have any thoughts at all, say, David, okay, that's great feedback. Or university sounds too ambiguous. What does that even mean? right? That's great. Those are all thoughts that are going through my head. And you notice when I come up with an idea, I just shoot it out on Slack. That could be at 2 a.m. I'm getting better on that because I know some of you guys don't turn off your notifications. So I don't want to like make your phone buzz when you're sleeping or something. But I used to not care. I just put it out there. And then I realized people are like think that I expect them to take action on it when I send it. You know, I'll just send ideas as they come. So that's what creative people are doing. So send them as they come to you.
Very nice.
You know, and if you want to write out an essay on it, do it quickly. Don't sit on it for a long time and muse on it. You know, just put it out there.
Hey, so Thailand. Chiang Mai. Apparently there's some law against Thai craft beers. But anyway, there's some good ones. I don't know how they get around that law, but it's pretty good. There's a whole bunch of them over there. Anyway, it's a nice bar that specializes in craft beer. Are working, been working all day, but on the move. A lot of things going on. Monday, so back to the grind. We had too much partying and drinking, mostly partying, no drink, over the weekend. So the workout today at the boutique gym we're at was killer. And then did some work, big team meeting, or long team meeting. Did a bunch of work in the car. That's been cool. You know, Uber, you get your time back because you can do this while tethering. It's pretty cool. Been doing that for a couple of years. So now we're here. I got to do some writing, quick essay work, and then we're gonna have dinner with some team members, and then my favorite movie theater in the whole world. It's right here. So, but don't come here, man. You don't notice how it's like so empty and nice. Yeah, we don't want people here, so we're not going to give away the location. But you probably will guess if you do a little bit of research. But just don't. We won't even publish those comments. Yeah, we're in Chiang Mai. No, we're not. But. Oh, DTV. So we're on the plane. It's nice to be on the plane because this is when we get to check out and enjoy. So started off with champagne. At first I thought there weren't any good movies because where's that movie thing? Oh yeah, because the front was, well, there's Lego, but then inside there's a lot of good movies. So the trick is, while you still got your 3G, go on there and type in Metacritic and get the ratings and pick your movie that way. You got instant noodles, but I got some really nice pork loin. I also wanted to show, can I flip it in the middle of recording? I don't think I can. Plane is like pretty empty. I like this particular seat because you get like an enclosure. So this is one of SQ's business class, what do you call those? Products? But it's like a very cocooned seat. It even has like little mirrors and all that, and just like lots of storage space. You can put stuff. So there, little plug for SQ's business class product. See ya.